How to stop Instagram stories posting on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines on the top right corner of your screen, simply scroll down in here. Scroll down till you find sharing and reuse. After you've clicked on it, scroll down in here and you will find apps at the bottom. Click on see apps. After that, simply click on Facebook at the top. Then it will lead you to this page. Simply turn off your Instagram post and your story. After you turn this off, it will stop sharing on Facebook. This is how to stop Instagram stories posting on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.